Good morning, everybody. This is Courtney with another video telling you how you can sign up for Lux Income Lounge, a full review video, how you can get started with digital marketing today. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this. Digital marketing is just the act of sharing something made online. A guide, a PDF, a checklist, a recipe, um, an email. I choose to promote a program that somebody else created. It's a done for you product that somebody else created. And when you share it, you get part of a commission. Okay. So we're going to go into that. We're going to dive into Lux Income Lounge. Um, we're going to talk about how you can get started with this today. Okay. Today is August 2nd, 2026. We see here in the community tab of Lux Income Lounge, Miranda Perry, which is the course creator. Just join, stop, and read. Just an FYI, if you want to join this program, the link will be in the description. So you read this first and do what she tells you to do. Okay? We have so many giveaways. This was July's giveaway. I don't know what August is yet. You can ask questions. Here's some testimonials. Okay? 2,400 day today. Could you imagine making $2,400 in one day? First five-figure month. Okay? Results. Dropped my ebook last night and got 2 sales. TikTok Live. First post. 3K in 24 hours is mind blowing. Guys, people are making money with this program. 5 figures as a stay-at-home mom. Letter writing. For the month of July, I made $745. Good month. Results. It's August 1st, 1K already. Guys, people are making money. So that's just a few of the testimonials in here. If we go to Classroom, you're going to see welcome, start here, ground zero, affiliate, live recordings. We have 4 weeknight calls, and all of the recordings or all of the meetings are recorded. So you can come back and watch them. Okay? Mindset, motivation, and momentum. Claim your lane. I bought the course, now what? Great module. Brand building 101. Identify over imitation. Okay? It's not the course, it's your content. Lead by example, income skills, target audience and engagement, the power of being coachable, clarity to cash, the scale method, attraction code, so you can learn how to attract people, the DM influence method, okay? If you do not want to resell Lux, you do not have to. That's another misconception people have. If you don't want to resell the program, you don't have to. This is the product lab teaching you how to create your first digital product. In my stand store, I have 2 digital products that I created. Okay, you can buy both of those. One of them is a beginner toolkit. If you don't have the money to invest in Lux right now, you can always invest in a toolkit. Okay, you can become an Amazon influencer. You can do user-generated content. You can do the letter writing side gig, okay? The VA services, if you want to become a virtual assistant, how to do TikTok lives and have success, okay, and make sales. Telling in your stories, if you want to do Instagram, okay? If you want to create with Claude, this is a great module. We also have a video recording of a class that Miranda taught how to create with Claude. The resource vault, okay? Creating on Canva, the Gen X module, LuxBot. Create your AI twin. Here's the PLR vault. You can take any of these products and price them for whatever you want and sell them. Invisible influence. The elevated email edit and promo material. Guys, this program is amazing and it teaches so much. So, what I want you to do first is if you're interested in digital marketing, click the link down below, join Lux so you can learn how to do it, so you can buy the education. Lux is $267, but you can get on a payment plan with Afterpay or Klarna for as low as $23 a month, zero today. Get on a payment plan. Everybody gets on a payment plan. Nobody has $267 to start, but this isn't a $1,000 course. If you don't have that money, you can also buy one of the two digital products in my store, which are cheaper. Okay? Then once you go and do that, I want you to go sign up with the link in the description for a stand store. You get a 2-week free trial in my bio for stand store. This is so you can host all your products that you want to sell, as many as you want. Now, after the 2-week trial, it is $29 a month. Then, after you do that, I want you to pick one platform. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, whatever it is you want to pick, Facebook, and I want you to create 2 to 3 pieces of content a day, and I want you to market Lux or your own digital product, whatever it is, to gain followers and sales. Okay? The hardest part is being consistent with content. Okay? Content is going to drive sales. You learn from the product, you have your stand store to host your products, and then you have to create content. And this is where most people fall off. So, if you want your store set up for you when you join, you need to send me a message so that I can message the admin that sets up stand stores in Lux, and we can get that set up for you. Okay? If you join with the link in my bio. Also, when you join today, I'm going to give you your first done-for-you product that you can put in your stand store, price for however much you want, and you can sell it. All right? So that is the video in a nutshell. The community is amazing. We have 5.2K members. This community is growing every day. Miranda does lives every single day on TikTok. She's at a conference right now. The classroom is amazing. You can always get help from me or somebody else in the community. It is amazing. This is the best course that I've bought. I encourage you to purchase it. Start learning digital marketing. Start learning how to create income in your sleep. Don't work your 9 to 5 forever. Okay? I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified of new videos that I drop every week. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great Sunday.